Love is Blind. It's a great distraction from the fact that I am not going to be able to afford my house. I'm going to have to move out pretty soon, but I want to show you what I think is so cool. It's the Love is Blind set. It's so cozy and whimsical. I just want to jump in there. Sorry to catch you mid-drink, Lara. I think her name's Lara. She's the one who said she looks like Megan Fox. I see it, guys. I see it. Do you guys see it? Because I see it. Back to the set. Look how fun this set is. This is a type 18. If you learn nothing else, learn this chart because it will forever change how you see interior design. Because any space can fit anywhere on this chart, it really helps you see the different shapes. And this particular room that I just showed you is somewhere between cohesive and assertive. Got a little funkiness to it, but yet there's still some simple shapes that you can see. So it pulls on the simplicity and the comfortableness of simple shapes, but then it's like got some pizzazz with some strange lines and some angles. I just really love to think about how shapes make you feel and how they affect your mood. I love this season of Love is Blind, and I can't wait to see what happens with all the drama. Let me know what you think of this set, and maybe I'll do another breakdown of some of the other locations in